Okay, I think I've got to cut into a couple of minutes, so I'm going to start quick now. Just want to explain, with digital dentistry, a lot of laboratories really routinely use it for the constructions of fixed prosthodontic work and also implant prosthodontic work. And but very few of us as clinicians have jumped onto it to implement it into our chairside practice. Now, I've sat on that side for a very long time, and I just thought, well, maybe I need to start looking into this in my clinical practice. The earlier systems tends to have a fairly high entry fee, and one of the issues I had with it is often is a closed system. So you do the chairside scanning, and you also have construction within the practice, which is very good. However, it often limited me on what materials I get to use. So therefore, I sat down and go, well, what am I trying to get out of this? And for those who are actually looking into entering into digital dentistry, maybe these are the questions you might want to ask. How do you practice dentistry? What's your style? What do you want to gain through this process? With many systems out there, which one might suit your clinical demands? And also, am I going to ever get used to using digital dentistry? I mean, I have to be honest, it takes a little while to get your head around how to do things, and you will change the way you actually do things, your workflow in your surgery. So just to start off, before I continue on, at the end I bought myself a 3-shape Trios scanner. Now, I'm not affiliated with them. Okay, I'm not here to market the product. I'm sure there are scanners out there that will do something very similar. But what I'm saying is this particular choice for me was appropriate because of my style of practice. Traditionally, your impression, obviously you will have your tray, stock tray, special tray.